So stand at the top of the mat, feet together. Okay, we do two sun salutation A, and we do knee hover. So inhale, arms up to look hands. Exhale, down. Okay, head and chest up, come up halfway. Hands on the floor, step back or jump back. High plank, shoulders above the hands. Then crocodile, come down from the knees or come straight down. Up dog, front of the feet on the floor. Push your feet, take your feet apart, look up. Tuck your toes, down dog, hang the head. Hands, shoulder, waist, feet, hip, waist. Keep pushing your tailbone up. In from the nose, out from the nose. Push your hands into the floor, tailbone up. Okay, now look between the hands. Step or jump. Legs straight ahead up. Exhale, head down. Come up. Look hands. Arms down. Okay, again. Inhale, arms up. Look hands, look thumbs. Exhale, down. Okay, now look up. So head up and chest up. Come up halfway. Knees bent, hands on the floor. Step back or jump back. High plank. Then come to crocodile. So knees down, chest down, or come straight down, legs and hip off the floor. Up dog. So push the feet. Take the feet apart. Stomach in. Look up. Down dog. Hang the head. Hands, shoulder, waist, feet, hip, waist. In from the nose, out from the nose. Okay, one more breath. Inhale. Exhale. And now, everybody put the knees down. Okay, tabletop. Get in a good position. Tuck your toes. Then knee hover. So take your knees maybe inch or two off the floor and stay. Breathe. So wrist is on the floor between the hands. Okay, put the knees down. Okay, just take a breath or two. Then go back up to down dog. So push your tailbone up, head down. Then bend your right knee, left leg is straight. Turn your head to the left. Change sides. Okay, straight legs. Then bend your left leg. Turn your head to the right. Keep pushing your tailbone up. Okay, back to normal down dog. Okay, look between the hands, step or jump. Legs straight, head up. Head down. And come up. Look hands. Arms down.